In the vast web of life, every loss sends ripples through existence. A final cry, a call of anguish, echoes into the cosmos. In the boundless expanse of the universe, a force awakens to answer a cry. Neither bound by time nor space, it carries the essence of creation. In times of turmoil, guidance comes to those who seek the stars. The healer, a beacon for her people, prepares to deliver a truth that transcends worlds. The cosmos speaks not with words, but through the language of vibrations and particles. A message, ancient and profound, descends to the healer. Elara, preserve life, protect the fragile balance. Every being, every breath, is woven into the fabric of existence. The vision is not a warning, but a call to action. To safeguard life is to safeguard the universe itself. Elara, we are the keepers of this world. We must answer the stars' call. The universe whispers to those who listen. A bridge between realms forms, uniting the cosmic and the earthly. One cry reached the cosmos. One message returned, and in the unity of life, the pulse of the universe beats on.